Hi there, guys. I just want to come at you with another video. I just had to do this one real quick because I got in some palettes, and as you can see, this one is Live with Love, and it's from Morphe, and it's their Pride palette, and it is absolutely gorgeous, guys. This one is beautiful. Look at the packaging on this. The packaging is absolutely beautiful, so vibrant, full of color. Okay, now let's see what's on the inside. Look at these colors. They are absolutely beautiful. I mean, gorgeous. This camera is not doing these colors any justice because they're so vibrant and bright. They are beautiful. And I can't take credit for this palette. I saw this palette on a video from Leslie Marie 1213. She's the one that I first saw do this palette, and it is absolutely beautiful. And there's also a palette from either last year or year before in this series, and it's even more beautiful. Right now I want to swatch some of the colors and see what they look like, if I can get it with my nails. Wow, that is amazing. That color is so bright and vibrant. Let's try another one. No, you see my cat hair on my hand. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Wow. Oh, I can't wait to delve into this palette. Oh, let's try glitter color. See what we get with that. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Oh, I love that. Guys, this is so beautiful and vibrant. Oh, I can't wait to I want to try all the colors. All the colors. I just want to try them all. And so here are the colors again. The gold one is Benzene. The dark blue one is Stand Up. The purple burgundy one is Show Compassion. And each one of those swatches, I want to swatch more, but I don't have time for that. And they are gorgeous, guys. And I will leave the link to the YouTubers that I got these palettes, that advertise these palettes. And with this one, the Live with Love 2 palette, it also has brushes, but the brushes are sold out. It also comes with a mirror. The mirror sold out. I didn't care for the mirror, but I would have loved to have gotten those brushes. Okay, this is from a company called Hip Dot. And I got this idea from a lady. It also comes with a sponge. And it is absolutely gorgeous. That sponge is absolutely beautiful. It's so soft. But I got this from a YouTuber, and her channel name is Pretty Silky. And like I said, I'll leave them below. But these are, oh my God, these colors are so beautiful. And you know I'm all about those glitter colors at the bottom. Have a lot of matte colors. And then at the bottom row, you have glitter colors. And I do plan to do some swatches from this one. But the company name is Hip Dot. All right, and here goes the swatches. I'm going to swatch this yellow one first. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Next, I'm going to swatch this blue, this light blue. It's a little bit tricky with these nails, y'all. Tricky with these nails. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now I'm going to do some of the glitters. Here we go first with the blue. Let's see how this one looks. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, that is so gorgeous, guys. That is so gorgeous. Now let's try this red one or burgundy, whichever color. That deep. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. Oh man, that looks like a vibrant, like pink look. Something like that. A deep glitter pink look. But they are beautiful. They are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to have to do like Monique does. I'm going to have to go in and start doing more makeup looks through the week. Excuse me for my voice. But, I mean, these are absolutely wonderful. Okay, now, the yellow color that I used to begin with is Tinkle. That's Tinkle. The blue color that I use is Prime Membership, which is that one right there. The blue is Sweaty, and this one, the burgundy one, is Wig Snatch. That one is Wig Snatch. And guys, these are some beautiful, vibrant colors. If you're a colorful person like me and Monique, you will absolutely love these palettes. And there they are again, the swatches. Okay, guys. This is the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed. And I hope you will continue to watch, subscribe, and share. And please like and comment on these videos, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you'll go out and check out these palettes for yourself. And I've enjoyed bringing you this video. All right. Love you all. Bye-bye.